The function h is defined by h of x equals to a to the x power positive b, where a and b are positive constants. The graph of y equals to h of x in the xy plane passes to the points 0, 10 and negative 2, 325 over 36. What is the value of ab? Okay, now to get the value of this a times b, we need to find the values of the two constants a and b in the given function. And since we have y equals to h of x, we can plug in this y for h of x over here. Then we get the equation y equals to a to the x power positive b. Now we can use the Desmos to solve this problem. Okay, now let me take the Desmos. In Desmos, first I have to give the 2 points we have over here as the input. Okay, for that we have to click on this positive sign, go to table. So the first point is 0, 10 and the second point is negative 2, 325 divided by 36. Now we have to give this equation as input, and my aim is not to graph the equation. My aim is to get the values of the two constants a and b in this equation. In that case, when I take this equation in Desmos, instead of y, I have to take y1, and instead of x, I have to take x1. Instead of equal sign, I have to take tilde sign. Okay, now let me type y1. Then we have to take tilde sign. It has to be raised to the power of x1, x, and we have positive b. Here I got the values of a and b in the Desmos. A equals to 6 and b equals to 9. And our aim is to get the value of a times b, that is 54. Okay, here we find 54 in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.